Hello everyone. Today's video we are going to look how we can share our mobile screen to laptop or desktop. That is what we are going to look in this video. While you are sharing in your mobile screen to laptop, you will face for some of the errors. Okay, sometimes it will not connect also. That is also we are going to look here. Okay, how to overcome. Okay, let me see. Okay, right now what you need to do, under the search you can type it for settings. Once setting will be opened, from there you can type it for projection settings. Okay, so it's opening right now. Yeah, from there find the settings will be there, right? From there you can type it projection settings. Yeah, it's showing for projection settings. Okay, you can click this one. This is what projection settings. Okay, you can click this one. From the right side corner you can look project your window, phone or PC or mouse. Okay, whatever the device will be there, you can connect. Okay, you can share your screen to laptop or desktop. That's possible. That is what showing here. For that you need to enable the feature called wireless display. Okay, so you can click for optional feature. Once you are clicking this one, it will show you add an optional feature. From the right side corner you can click for view features. You can click that one, then it will open for many features. From there we required for wireless display, just you can type it over there for wireless display, it will show. Click that small box, then click as next, then you can click as add. Once you are clicking as add, it's loading right now. Okay, you are looking over there for wireless display, it's loading. In the meantime, what I'm doing in a sense, I'm changing for my this one desktop picture. Okay, in the background some other work also I am doing because it will take a little time. So it's showing for the error once I done some of the work at the background. Okay, could not add, it's showing for the error. So I'm trying for the another method. Okay, if it is showing for the error, in a sense what we need to do, the first step, you have to go for search and type it for run command. Under the run command you can type it for cmd. Okay, that is a command prompt. We are going to give some inputs. You can type it for cmd. Okay, once you are typing you can click as ok. Then it will show you this kind of window. Okay, from there the version of the window will be 10, it's showing. Okay, from here you can type it, everything will be in small letters. Okay, nothing will be in big letters. NETSH space WLAN space show SHOW space driver DRIVER. Okay, I will give you in the description below. Based on that you can copy and paste. From here we are going to check our laptop is supported for wireless display or not. Okay, it's supported. Graphic driver is available, as well as Wi-Fi driver is also available. It means what? Our laptop is supporting for wireless display. Some laptop it will show you for no, it means it is not supported. So what is not supported, that you can install, and after that it will be supported. Okay, from here I am checking all the version will be updated on 2022, so latest only, so no issue. I am closing this one. Okay, then I am trying. Okay, from the Wi-Fi I am clicking this one. Okay, that is another method for checking. Okay, after updating for after checking for the run command, it's supported or not, it's supported. So this way I am connecting. In the Wi-Fi you can click right side, and for the project you can select. At the down you can come more display settings. Okay, once you are clicking this one, it will show you these things. You can come down more display. It's showing for multiple displays, right? From there, that right side icon you can click. From the down, it will show you connect to a wireless display. You can click as connect, this one. Okay, connect to a wireless display. You can click as connect over here. So whatever wireless display, even for mobile or TV, whatever will be available, that will show over here, but it is not showing. Okay, even though I tried for mirroring also in the mobile, it's not showing. Okay, I have waited for 10 to 15 minutes, but that is not. So next step, what I did, I restart my laptop, and after that I'm trying this one. Okay, so you need to restart your laptop. After that you can do for a same process. Go to add features, okay, projection setting, then you can add this one. That's very important. You have to restart your laptop, then try this one. Otherwise it will show you error again, because everything is supported. Driver is available, Wi-Fi driver is available, as well as for wireless display driver is available. My laptop is supported, that's the reason I'm doing these steps. Suppose in your laptop it's not supported, in a sense which driver is not available, that you need to install, and after that you have to try. See here, it's added right now. Okay, you should not do any background work, any other work you should not do. After downloading you have to do it until you can open this window, and you can wait. Okay, it will take little time for 10 to 7 minutes, like that. Once it has been added, what you need to do, just you can go back, or else you can same setting you can select for projection settings. Okay, it's been added. That is what the next step you need to do it. Right now, yeah, the full process has been over right now, so you can wait. See here, it's loading now. Once completed, you can do. Until you can wait. Okay, it will take little time only. You need to wait. You should not do any other background works. Now it's been completed. You can type it over there for projection setting. Okay, from there you have to do some changes. Okay, always it's off recommended, but you need to select for all everywhere. Okay, you can select for available everywhere. Based on that you can select, don't select for off and all. Okay, so I'm selecting for everywhere. Add to project to a PC, yes. Every time connection is needed, then from here you can select. If you require for pin, in a sense you can select for always. If not required, in a sense you can select for never. So for me it's not required, so that's the reason I'm selecting for never over here. Okay, I'm selecting as never. Once completed those things, little up you can look, launch a window display. Okay, once these settings has been changed, you can go and click for launch. Now from this one, first time only you need to ask. That is what I'm selecting. Then launch you can click. Once you are clicking this launch, it will show this kind of window. Okay, so the error has been rectified. Now you have to do some settings for some changes for in your mobile. Okay, that I will show you over here. Once open this window only you have to do in your mobile. Before that not required to do it. Okay, invention is ready to you to connect wirelessly. So now what you need to do, you have to take in your mobile. Okay, and do the following settings. Just open in your mobile. Okay, go to settings. Okay, once you're clicking the settings, then you can type for screen mirroring. Okay, then you can enable it. Some mobile it's available for cast, some mobile it's available for that is a smart sharing, something like that. So I'm clicking for my invention. Once I'm clicking, automatically it's connecting over here. Okay, I'm selecting over here. It depends upon the mobile, the name will be differ. Okay, same screen mirroring will not be available. Okay, so once I'm clicking this one, see over there, 2029 is about to project. Okay, it means what? It's connecting right now. Okay, it's loading. Now it's been connect it for the mobile. So whatever you are doing in your mobile, it will show you in your desktop or laptop. Okay, whatever app you are going, okay, whatever work you are doing, just the same it will appear in your laptop. Okay, now you can look the real mobile screen. Okay, it's showing for you. This is a way you can connect in your mobile screen to laptop or desktop. Okay, I think this video will be helpful for you. Once completed these things, same settings you can go for screen mirroring, you can off, then it will be disconnected, or else you can press for in your keyboard Control S. Okay, then it will be disconnected for screen sharing. I think this video will be helpful for you. If it is helpful, you can subscribe this channel and keep on watch. And if it is useful, you can share to your friends also. Okay, if there is any query, you can comment below. Let me answer to you. Okay, thank you friends. Thank you for watching this. Bye.